I know most of HVAC people have already installed mini splits. I know some people is really strongly opinionated against them, but what do you think about the ceiling cassettes? Before y'all even say it, I know I got to insulate that drain. But what do y'all think about the Pioneer ones? Y'all know they got some new ones that slim design for 16-inch centers. When I was at AHR in Chicago last week or the week before, they was actually showing that they have a winch system. That way you don't have to get up there to climb, no ladder to change the filter. You hit the remote, it winches down, change the filter, it winches back up. Do y'all like Pioneer? Which mini splits do y'all prefer? Let me know in the comments.